HKR Trainings comes with an exciting course about digital marketing, which is one of the most demanding courses in the market right now. So we have to talk about digital marketing. We have to market our product in a digital way. So what we have to do? We have to learn the concept in more depth and practical way. So straightforward HKR Trainings brings that concept in live, practical, and in detailed version of all the digital marketing concepts. So we are going to talk about the digital marketing in today's world. So let us start with the concept. Is suppose we have a product. Let us take an example. Key, I'm having a product. Now, what can be a product? Product can be anything which we wanted to market. It can be a course also. It can be a shoe also. It can be a clothing product also. Anything what we want to market. Let us assume anything, and to that product we have to make marketing in the word, which means we want to make people aware about our product. Like, yes, we exist. This is something that we can make up for you. This is something like our product can solve problems. First of all, never go for selling the things. Okay, like, okay, my product is like I can sell in the market. No, it is something that we have to talk about how this product can solve problem. And what is our thing? We have to market, which means we have to reach a huge chunk of audience, huge audience. Now, if you talk about, there are something which was done in the past, I mean, what we can see in 90s, 80s, 1990s. But right now, something is trending. And you know what? The word digital marketing. So right now, if you have to market this product, you have two ways. Both way we are going to talk about. One is the traditional marketing. Another is the digital marketing. We'll talk about both, but before, what is the digital marketing? If we have to talk about digital marketing, then what is digital marketing? So it's like, if you just look at the concept here, so digital marketing, it's all about promoting a product. But if you just look at the medium, here the mediums are basically search engine, social media, email, mobile apps, website. Don't get confused like what are these things. Okay, let me give you one more example, and then we'll talk about the word digital marketing. Everyone knows about this brand, na? Paytm. Now ask yourself how you came to know about this brand. Did someone knocked your door and said like we are from Paytm? Did someone made announcement like, okay, this is Paytm, download the app? Okay, or did someone distributed the pamphlets to us, please download the Paytm app? No, it is something, might be, I'm sure like you got to know about the word Paytm either through social media. You might have gone through from YouTube, which is also part of social media, or you might have seen ads. The ad which I'm talking about is what? Sometimes you visit a website, okay, and you see an ad. Let's take an example. For example, if I go to Times of India, okay, so on the right hand side, you are seeing a segment called advertisement. So sometime you came to know about Paytm through ads, and we came to where? Website. So these are what? Website. And sometimes what happened? You search something on Google. Okay, let's take an example. Mobiles to buy. Okay, and you will see an ad. So these are what called? These are search engine. Okay. So for example, Google is basically a search engine where you can search all your queries. None of the places where we have a direct interaction with the company, like, okay, they came to us physically. No. What is the medium? What is the channel they contacted us? The channel was digital, which means you have just a smartphone and you can reach out to social media, you can reach out to YouTube, you can see ad, you can see website, you can see search engines. So we came to know about the Paytm through these channels. And these are what? Digital media channels. So what is a digital marketing? It's like if you are promoting a product, through digital channels. And you know the digital channels, be it Facebook, be it YouTube, Google Ads, social media, search engines, website, those all we are going to discuss in depth. Okay. So if we came to know about the product through digital, through digital channels, okay, that is called basically digital marketing. But the concept is that, like, fine, we have a product, we have to market a product. But why we have to market digitally? Which can give you a second question, like, why digital marketing important? Okay, earlier also people are selling a product, but now what is the need of going digital? Okay, so let us take one more example and discuss the same fact, because all the examples, whatever we are talking about, is all about real life. We can see it in our surroundings. So something, if it is in our surrounding, we can relate easily. Now we have a product. Okay, let us assume anything, any product as of now. We want to market. But the question is, why you want to market? Why you want more and more people to know about your product? What is the need? See, something is like every time your product is not about the sales, like, okay, we have to sell. Nothing. There's a consumer who consume product. Okay, right now we are on a Zoom. Zoom is also a product. We are consuming. We are doing live interaction, which means this is our need. If our need is there, then someone will market us, no? Like Zoom is marketing us. In same way, there's a consumer, which means consumer always have a need, and that need can be solved by this product, any product. If it is the need, it can be solved with the help of this product. Okay, so every consumer has a need and the product has a solution. So what is the thing that we have to do? We have to market, which means we have to reach so many people. We have to reach so many people. But the challenges are, I'm asking you one question and you let me know. Okay, I'm asking you one question and you just let me know. Do you know about a company called Tata? Everyone knows about a Tata. And I'm giving one more example. Bharat Pay. Tata was like years back company. And it took years to remember for every brand. Okay. For example, it was like 100 years of company. Okay, it can be more than 100 years also. But it takes more time to reach out its audience. It took more time to reach out every audience. Okay. But if we talk about Bharat Pay, which was launched in 2018, just in 5 years, a large set of audience know about Bharat Pay. Then what is the need? What's the difference between Tata reaching out to the audience and what's the difference between Bharat Pay reaching out to the audience? The only difference is time. Which means if we talk about here, though we have a product, we have to market, we have to reach out large set of audience. Consumers have a need. But everyone is ready to provide solution. Okay. If I talk about in case of Paytm, how much company you know? Paytm was started firstly. Okay, if I remember. After Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Bheem Pay, Bharat Pay, okay, MobiKwik, so many wallets came. And if someone is going to wait like hundreds of years, it's just like West. If you talk about these scenarios in this market, so everyone is having a product, but they don't have a time. They want to reach out to the audience in less time. And here comes the importance of what? The digital marketing. So if we talk about why digital marketing is needed, because product has to market to generate sales. Now here comes the point of hardcore sales. Okay, every product can survive only with sales. But if you have to market, we have to market in less time only. But what? Huge audience. We have to market a huge set of audience. And the only medium which is possible is digital marketing. Why? Because every user is having what? If we talk about every user is having smartphone. Okay. And smartphone having what? With network connectivity, which means internet. Okay. I'm asking you, if I give you 30 minutes, sorry, not 30 minutes, which is too large. Okay. If I give you 30-second time, and if you can browse either Instagram, Facebook, you can go anywhere, YouTube, whatever, Twitter, LinkedIn, any place you go on your smartphone, and you see like in 30 seconds only, you will come up with more than 10 plus brands in 30 seconds. And how this is possible? It is only possible because of that internet, because of that smartphone. And because of digital marketing, this is possible. Every brand wants to market a product in less time to a huge audience, and digital marketing is the way. So this is the importance of digital marketing that we have.